Hey dear, we are going to show you top 5 car diagnostic scanner tools under $500 car diagnostic tool we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will. Find the link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with top 5 car diagnostic scanner tools under $500 car diagnostic tool. Number 5. Brand name, VDIAGTOOL. Description: the difference between Fvdi 2019 and Fvdi 2018. The hardware difference is that Fvdi 2019 without battery but Fvdi 2018 with battery. So the Xhorse 2019 does not require activation, it will not lock the machine, and the serial number will not be lost. The software difference is that Xhorse 2019 has updated 3 car softwares than Xhorse 2018. 1. ABRITES Commander for VDIAGTOOL v37.0. 2. ABRITES Commander for BMW v10.5. 3. ABRITES Commander for Mercedes v10.4. These 3 softwares are all the latest software and support basic functions such as fault diagnosis, fault code clearing, and data stream reading of the new 2019 4. VAG, for Volkswagen, for Audi, for Skoda, for Seat, for Mercedes-Benz, and for BMW cars. Currently, special functions are not supported, but it will make update in 2020 year. Please note before ordered, if the device showed you missed the license, then it means that functions still cannot support. For your cars, we cannot make refund or return package, but it will support in the future. Hope for your understand. VDIAGTOOL Fvdi 2020 ABRITES Commander Diagnostic Scanners Xhorse 2014 Odometer Correction Key Programmer Unlimited with 21 softwares. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4. Brand name, VDIAGTOOL. Description: but it will support in the future. The difference between Fvdi 2020 and Fvdi 2018. Fvdi 2020 had 3 more car softwares than Fvdi 2018, and the hardware difference is that Fvdi 2020 without battery, the Fvdi 2018 with battery. So Fvdi 2020 does not need to be activated, it will not lock the machine, and the serial number will not be lost. The software difference is the Fvdi 2020 has updated all 21 car softwares to 2019 years. It means can support cars to 2019. Please note before ordered, if the device showed you missed the license, then it means that functions still cannot support for your cars. We cannot make refund or return if it with this situation. VDIAGTOOL Fvdi 2020 cover Fvdi v2014 v2015 v2018 full version no limited Fvdi Abrite Commander 21 software Xhorse 2019 update online. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3. Brand name, VDIAGTOOL. Description: OBDII or onboard diagnostic system can be regarded as one of the numerous boons of the modern science which has made our life easy and convenient. It offers the user or the technician of a vehicle an enhanced access to various systems and mechanisms working inside the car, and informs if the vehicle is having a problem in any of its components. This helps the user quickly identify the issue and take up remedial steps without having to search for it in every nook and corner of the vehicle. Moreover, it is also a very Useful way to keep your vehicle under constant monitoring and thus keep up a healthy vehicle condition all through its life. VT600 OBDII Automotive Scanner Tool Engine ABS Xhorse EPV Oil Service Reset Injector Coating OBDII Key Programmer for Car Diagnostic. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2. Brand name, Xhorse. Description: VDIAGTOOL tool out of stock and we will not produce any more. Now we sell this VDIAGTOOL tool to replace. VDIAGTOOL tool versus VDIAGTOOL tool. 1. VDIAGTOOL tool works on iOS and Android. You can check software on the screen of your phone, much easier to operate. 2. VDIAGTOOL tool functions better to test frequency of keys, and read chips faster according to engineers' test and customers' feedback. 3. VDIAGTOOL tool has wider range to collect data, and more stable. 4. VDIAGTOOL tool with cheaper price. 5. With free 96-bit 48 clone function, and you can have one free token each day for 1 year. After 1 year, you can use points to change for tokens too. 6. VDIAGTOOL tool doesn't include renew function, while you can use points to change for renew functions free later. 7. You can choose global version directly to cover all EU, USME etc. when place order. Important notice: VDIAGTOOL tool about global version explanation. Source: VDIAGTOOL tool remote key programmer support iOS and Android global version replace VDIAGTOOL tool. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1. Brand name, Auto. Description: Auto pipe system smoke leak detect machine. Is designed for detecting the leakage of pipe systems on cars, motorcycles such as fuel pipe. Air intake system and cooling tank even include evap. Evap is a fuel evaporation control system used to collect and deal with fuel vapor, to prevent fuel vapor leakage. If the leak will pollute the atmosphere and even cause the vehicle to spontaneous combustion. Plus, this set of accessories can detect the smoke of the evap system. Check whether there is leakage, broken, enhanced traffic safety. AutoL SDT 106-202-206 Car Automotive Smoke Machine Pipe Smoke Generator Leak Detect Leakage Detector Diagnostic 12V Auto Repair. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.